Hello, my name is Zaidy Pilar Erazo. I am a student of the Business Administration program of the UNAD. Next, I will make two brief presentations of the infographic about my vacation trip. Let's start. Pasto, the surprise city. Guidelines to take into account to visit the city. The last vacation, after Christmas, we went with my family to the city of Pasto. We arrived at night hours, and it was difficult to find a hotel to stay. After a long time, we found a place at a comfortable price. We paid 90,000 pesos. During our stay in the city, I was not cold. We stayed for a period of 4 days. We visited several places and we chatted a lot in family. We even attended a musical show. The most beautiful place there was the Calderas volcano. It had an incredible view. Finally, we came back home without a difficulty. The weather in Pasto. The city of Pasto generally has a cool and rainy climate. Recommendations. First of all, I would recommend to the visitors that they should wear warm clothes to cover themselves from the rain and the cold. Then, it is better to take a camera to have images of the Calderas volcano. That is wonderful, very wonderful. After that, in Pasto, the people should have to attend the Carnival of Whites and Black. If you travel to the city of Pasto, you should visit the Laguna de la Cocha. At the Black and White Carnival in Pasto, people should not go to rest. People should not be like to see the parade because they will not find a comfortable place. If you travel to the city of Pasto, it is better not to wear light clothing because the weather is very cool. In the city of Pasto, it is better not go alone to insulated places. They can be little safe. In Pasto, people should carry extra money for unforeseen events. Finally, if you plan a trip to Pasto, you shouldn't travel alone. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.